We live in a busy and stressful world, and finding calm can be a challenge. However, there are a few things you can do to improve your sense of calm and cope with difficult situations. Exercise. This is one of the best ways to reduce stress and find calm. Exercise helps release endorphins, which can improve your mood. Practice gratitude. Make a list of things you are grateful for and add a few new ones daily. This will help you maintain a positive outlook and see that there are many things to be thankful for. Learn to manage your stress. Learn to identify the factors that cause you stress and find ways to manage them. This will help you maintain inner peace and find balance. Create a daily routine. Set a daily routine that includes activities you enjoy and that help you relax. This will help you maintain balance and find inner peace. Learn to say no. Learn to say no when you feel like you don't have the energy or it's not good for you to do a certain activity. This will help you protect your time and energy and maintain inner peace. Deep breathing. Deep, controlled breathing can help reduce stress and improve your sense of calm. You can try inhaling deeply for 5 to 10 seconds, then gradually exhaling for 5 to 10 seconds. Positive thinking. Try to focus on the positive things in your life and avoid dwelling on negative aspects. Positive thinking can help you reduce stress and improve your mood. Reduce time spent on social media and news. Often, negative news and media can contribute to increased stress and anxiety. Try to reduce the time you spend on social media and avoid focusing on negative news. Talk to someone. Talking to someone you trust and who can offer emotional support can be helpful. If you feel overwhelmed, try talking to a friend, family member, or a specialist. Meditation. Meditation is an ancient relaxation technique that helps reduce stress and find inner peace. You can start with a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration of your meditation. In conclusion, finding calm in such a harsh world can be a challenge, but it's important to try to manage your stress and improve your mood. Practicing exercise, meditation, deep breathing, positive thinking, reducing time spent on social media and news, and talking to someone can be helpful.